If you sit like this most of the day, you're not alone. But if you think that this one is just about looking sloppy, you're missing the bigger problem. This posture is killing your spine, make your core more weaker and killing your energy. And it's the first reason why your neck, shoulders and lower back all of the time feel tight. But today we are going to fix it. I'm going to guide you through exact warm-up movement series I use to reverse poor posture, so you will stand, move and sit with the strength, confidence and freedom. So let's go. Let's talk why good posture even matters. Good posture is not about looking perfect. It's about how your body holds itself when you're not thinking about it. When your posture is aligned, muscles work more efficiently. Your joints stay healthier. You breathe deeper. And your body literally burns less energy just to stay upright. Now, when your posture falls apart, let's say from hours of sitting, scrolling, slouching, your body just adapts, but not in a good way. You get tight hips, weak glutes, stiff thoracic spine, and overworked traps and neck. The worst part, you might not notice it happening until you try to stand up and your body resists you. But the good news, you can reverse all of it with a good mobility and strength pattern. And that is exactly what we are about to do together. Place your elbows on two yoga blocks under your shoulders. Your forearms should be parallel to each other and also from the floor, creating a 90-degree angle at the elbow. Knees on the floor, feet relaxed and spine neutral. Keep your head in line with your spine. Slowly let your chest sink between your shoulder blades by letting the scapula come together. Imagine your shoulder blades sliding inward and downward your spine. Keep your forearms on the blocks. This isolates your shoulder blades. Hold 3 to 5 seconds down and 3 to 5 seconds up. Then press your forearms into the blocks and come back up to the start position. Repeat movement 10 to 15 times. Get into a quadruped position on all fours. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, neutral spine. Loop a light to medium resistant band behind your upper back. Grab the two ends of the band in your hands and put palms to the floor. Exhale deeply and push your hands into the ground, spreading your shoulder blades wide. Inhale and begin to untuck the pelvis, extending your spine in the opposite direction. Tuck your pelvis under and round your spine. Then let your belly drop toward the floor, pulling your chest forward and up. Hold each phase of the motion for 3 to 4 seconds and repeat movement 8 to 10 times. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulders. Grab a light stick or small bar and place it on top of your shoulders. Hands hold the bar wide. Push your hips back while keeping your spine in neutral position. Lower until your torso is about a 45 angle. Core lightly braced, neck in line with spine. Then rotate your torso so your left elbow moves toward your right knee or foot. Keep your hips square, no shifting or twisting in the lower body. Your eyes can follow the movement or stay neutral depending on neck comfort. From the bottom of the twist, slowly rotate your torso back to center. Then without rest, rotate to the opposite elbow toward the other foot. Hold each side 2 to 3 seconds. Alternate sides, maintaining consistent tension in your glutes and control in your spine. Repeat movement 6 to 8 times each side. Lay on your back on the floor. Place a foam roller horizontally under your upper back, just below shoulder blades. Place your lower legs on top of the box or bench, knees bent at 90 degrees, hips stacked. Hold a light to medium plate with both hands, arms extended above your chest. Then, slowly lower the plate behind your head, keeping arms straight. Move as far as you can without lifting your ribs off the floor. You should feel a stretching in your lats, shoulders and chest, and engagement in your deep core. Hold deepest position for 3 to 4 seconds, then bring the plate back to the start over your chest. Be sure that you will not bend elbows or lose tension. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times. Get into quadruped position on all fours. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, neutral spine. Place a light band, one end looped across a dumbbell placed beside your body. On the side you will rotate toward. The other end goes across your rotating elbow. Your non-rotating hand stays on the ground. Move the hand of bended arm on back of your head and brace your core. Slowly rotate your elbow and chest toward the ceiling. Let your upper back thoracic spine drive the movement, not your neck or hips. The band will resist the motion. Eyes can follow the elbow for better coordination. Hold final position for 2 to 3 seconds and then lower the elbow back down to the start position. Repeat movement 5 to 8 times each side. Place 2 yoga blocks on the floor to each side of your body, just wider than shoulders. These act as external markers to guide your range of motion. Lay face down on the floor, legs extended, forehead resting lightly on the floor or a towel. Hold a pair of light dumbbells in each hand, palms facing down. Arms fully extended toward the floor, forming a T position. Brace your core, press your hips into the ground, pull your shoulders slightly down and back. Slowly lift your arms and move dumbbells across our markers. Then slowly lower your arms back down. Repeat movement 10 to 15 times. Set up a cable machine with a rope attachment. Grab the ends of the rope with palms facing up, neutral grip. Stand but put thin chest on the bench. Feet flat on the floor, core lightly braced and back in neutral upright position. Start with arms extended down and forward. Your arms should be lightly angled outward, forming a narrow V. Begin the motion by squeezing your shoulder blades slightly down and back. Pull the rope up and outward into a Y shape with your arms. Keep a slightly bend in your elbows as you raise your hands diagonally upward. Finish your arms in line with your ears. Hold end of the position 2 to 3 seconds. Then lower the rope back to the start position with full control. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times. Get into a deep hip hinge position. Feet shoulders wide, knees slightly bent, push your hips back, spine neutral and core braced. Place a medicine ball in front of you under your non-roving shoulder. Make a pressure to the ball with your hand. Hold a kettlebell in your rowing hand with arm extended straight down. Begin rowing the kettlebell by pulling your elbow toward your ribs. Focus on pulling shoulder blade towards spine. Don't twist your hips or arch your lower back. When you reach the top of the rowing, slightly rotate your thoracic spine. Then bring back down to the start position. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times per side. If you're here to rebuild the strong, mobile, and pain-free body you were meant to have, join me and my Build to Move community by hitting that subscribe button. We are not here just to fix the pain. We are here to build the strong, flexible, and powerful body every human deserves. If this exercise is too hard for you, I recommend to watch first this video And when you go through all of that exercise, come back and try this one again. Don't wait. Fix your posture, move better, and let's get you built to move.